Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Brittany. So you guys, we are in the lovely Kingston 8 area this morning to view this stunning townhouse behind me at Earl's Court Close. So you guys, let's get started with the video. Located on a cul-de-sac, this semi-detached 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom property is for sale for 60 million Jamaican dollars. You guys, now Earl's Court is just nearby the community of Acadia. It's right there in a lovely area of Kingston 8. If you need any additional information about this property, if you'd like to do a viewing, you are going to contact Cavendish International Realty. They are the go-to guys for all the information about this property. So let's get started as we enter here in this front area, in this nice landing area where you will see the splits for the stairs. So one set of stairs will take you upstairs, and the next flight of stairs will take you on the lower level where you have your living, dining, and other rooms that we'll explore now. So as you see, as you come on down into the living room area, you have this large open concept, really spacious living area. All right, what I kind of like though is that while it is still quite opened, you still have your kitchen section off, nice tucked away, so when you cook your nice lovely home cooked meals, the scent doesn't just flow right into your living room, because not all persons really love that super open concept. The kitchen is still nicely tucked away, all right, as well as the dining area. So as you can see, you have a spacious living area. You can fit a large sectional here. You can get your TV mounted. You just have all the space in the world right here, all right. And this area downstairs also has a powder room, right? So your half bath right here, which would be great for your guests when they come over. So you have your nice powder room here for your guests and for yourself as well. You don't have to run all the way upstairs for everything. So if you're enjoying your living room, you have your family and friends over, you have this lovely powder room right here for them to use. Just off the living area is your dining area. So this dining area here can hold a nice sizable dining table, and then right off your dining area you have this lovely family room. Now in this family room would be a great area for the kids to just come and play. You can help them here with their homework. It's just a really great multi-purpose room. You could use it, part of it, as an office. You can just so many possibilities for the family room. And now here we have your kitchen. Lovely countertops, lovely cabinets, all this built in right here. You do have your stove right there built in with the range just to take away all the fumes right there. Lovely stunning kitchen. I really love the backsplash. So you just saw this lovely covered back patio area, and now just off the living room is this bonus room that is a multifunctional room again. So this could be a nursery, this could be an office. It's just whatever you would like it to be. All right, so you have this gorgeous space that you can transform and utilize to whatever you would like. So off this room now is your laundry area. So let's take a look inside that laundry area. Don't forget to give this video a like, guys, subscribe, and make sure you're commenting and tell me what you think about this home. All right, so now we're back out of that bonus room, back into the living area. All right, and there is your final look at your living room. Now we're back at the staircase and we're going to go upstairs to view the primary bedrooms, primary bathrooms, along with 2 other rooms and 1 other bathroom. So there are the 2 secondary rooms right here. But first, let us take a look inside the primary bedroom. Now, just outside of the primary bedroom, you do have these 2 closets right here. They are great linen closets, great for storage. All right. And now here is your lovely, lovely primary bedroom. Stunning, stunning, stunning. As you can see, the owners of this home, they have furnished it out. They are just living it up. I even peeped a lovely, lovely perfume collection. Just a stunning home for a beautiful family. All right. So off your primary bedroom, you have your ensuite primary bathroom. So let's take a look inside this bathroom here. Really spacious bathroom. You do have a enclosed shower. You also have a jacuzzi right there. You also have massive closet space. You can store your shoes, your bags, and all the lovely clothing items that you have. So let's go out back into that hallway and take a look at the 2 secondary bedrooms. These bedrooms will be great for your kids. Really spacious, right? So this bedroom actually has what I'd like to say, the furniture is not really sized for the bedroom. So the bedroom is looking smaller only because the furniture is really, really huge. They had a huge bed in this bedroom. But you can go in and put an even smaller bed in this room and you'll really, really see how large it is. As you can see, that's a huge bed and they have a lot of furniture in here. So it's actually taking up a bit of the space, so it kind of looks a bit smaller, but I'm telling you guys, this is a decently sized room. It just has a lot of furniture packed inside. So you will definitely have ample space so it even shows you that, the room can hold a lot. So here is the other room, and as you guys can see, it's a decently sized room. All right, you do have these closets built-ins here in the house. Really, really, really lovely. All right. See, nice spacious closet with additional storage above. And also, guys, this house will be sold with the AC units and also the ceiling fans that you're seeing here. So you just saw the bathroom that those 2 rooms will share, and that completes the interior tour of this house. Let's go on outside to see your side yard and your backyard space. Follow me. So here we are back at that front door area, and then this is your side yard. You do have a little cellar area there. It's a little small storage area. All right, and then towards the side of your house, as you can see, on this side the house is completely detached. On the other side, it is attached to another house, as it is a townhouse. It's a semi-detached townhouse, you will see. All right, so this is your backyard area. So this takes you right back out to where that porch area is that we showed earlier, and it also takes you back to that washroom door. So as you can see, the house is attached right there to one house on that side. That's the laundry room door that we toured earlier, and this is back at the front of the house. As you can see, you have a nice little area here. You could plant some lovely flowers, do a little gardening, and just beautify the property even more. So that's it for today's video, you guys. If you are interested in this house, you are going to reach out to Cavendish International Realty at 876-881-8495. I'll also put all their information in the description box below. I'll also put them in the pinned comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are a realtor and you'd like to work with me, please email me at britonnyhaye@yahoo.com. We're super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video.